Okay, so good afternoon. This is Gab Peras again for Sports Corner PH and with me, ang ating kaibigan from Philippine Aquatics. Actually, you're the board member right now ng Philippine Aquatics, no?
Yes, that's
And presently, she also oversees yung diving sa ating bansa. Please help me welcome sa Sports Corner, Miss Marie Dimanche. So finally meet you for the first time, ma'am. At sa
yes.
inyong training ground diyan sa New Clark City. So, first of all, bumati ka naman sa ating mga viewers.
Yes. Thank you for this interview. Tapos um, nag-hello po ako sa lahat na nanonood.
Okay, Coach Marie, nasaksihan natin as of now itong exhibition or parang joint training between two of our members of our Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series na kalahok natin and of course our Philippine National Diving Team. So, how's the experience overall? Nakita natin yung ating mga champion cliff divers training with our standouts from the Philippine Diving Team, Coach Marie.
Yes. As you can see, sobrang happy yung mga bata to share this experience. Tapos nabibigyan din sila ng pointers kung paano yung feet first entry or yung tinatawag na barani. So, as I mentioned earlier kasi, isa kasi sa disciplines ng aquatics yung high diving. So, at least nabibigyan sila ng pointers. Tapos kung interesado sila kung sakali, then mabilis na hindi na sila masyadong nenervyos.
And looking at this exhibitions natin, yung mga dives, yung mga routines, parang natutoy sila ng mga world-class athletes. So, at least after the day, marami silang matututunan from those champion caliber mga divers natin na nag-aanda rin for the Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series which is happening in 2 weeks time sa El Nido, Palawan, ma'am.
Yes.
Ano yung sabihin nating uh, initial impressions ng mga bata na rin upon seeing them and training them with our athletes po?
I'm sure sobrang natutuwa yung mga bata dito sa experience na to. Tapos they'll talk about it dun sa mga teammates nila, and then hopefully magabayan din nila yung series ng Red Bull kasi isang very exciting naman siya na series na nangyari each year.
Okay, Coach Marie, I know Philippine diving right now is on the crossroads right now. Not just we are producing many young and talented divers sa ating generation, but of course meron din tayo mga iba't ibang standards like si Ariana Drake, who is currently the top diver sa ngayon, si Ariana. So, how's the progress na pala ng training ating diving team natin? Coming into the 2024 competition season, I'm sure marami silang mga ginagawa ninyong pag-aanda naman para naman sa mga susunod pang mga competitions na naka-line up sa ngayon.
Yeah. So, bale, as you share the good news and share the good news sa viewers natin na si Ariana Drake, we just came from yung Malaysia competition late last year where she won a silver medal. And then, tuloy-tuloy lang din yung preparations. Pinaghahandaan namin yung Southeast Asian Age Group World Championship sa Singapore. Tapos, yung SEA Games naman at the end of the year. Tapos, also there's 2 more competitions that we're hoping to join. Yung Indonesia Invitational, pati na din yung New Zealand Diving Invitational.
Currently si Ariana, she is training abroad, no?
Yes.
And
Kasi siya nag-aaral.
at of course, nag-aanda siguro siya for the Southeast Asian Age Group and the
Southeast Asian Games.
SEA Games rather. So, based sa inyong progress ni Ariana, so far, nakikita niyo ba yung improvement sa difficulty, sa techniques, sa routines na ginawa ni Ariana as well as the other local divers natin na pamilyado o kilala natin sa ngayon na nagpakitang gilas na tayo dito sa mga galing sa dives natin?
Unfortunately kasi ngayon puro babae yung mga nasa national team natin, tas medyo on the younger side. So yung events kasi na nasa for the Southeast Asian Games is yung for the women's is platform synchronized. So So, yung isang diver kasi natin and si Ariana actually are springboard divers. Pero now, nagte-training sila to compete in the platform event. So, from springboard, nagsasanay po sila na maging platform diver. So, parang since early this year lang po nila ginagawa yon. So, parang um, we're just observing kung ano yung magiging development dun sa training nila kasi ayaw din namin siya i-force. So, we will see in the coming months po kung ano yung magiging decision namin.
Oh, by the way, nabanggit mo all-female pa lang sa ngayon yung ating divers natin. Nakikita natin yung mga kalalakihan din natin. Lalo na yung ilan sa mga divers natin na lalaki either nag-retire na o nag-transition na sa ibang sport o di kaya nagko-coach na sila. So, at least may mga nakaanap na kayo na mga bago, mga papalit sa kanila para dito sa ating diving team natin. Ano ang observation ninyo sa mga ating mga young standouts natin?
Like I said po, kasi medyo matagal po kasi yung time na kailangan na mag-develop ng diving athletes kasi po sinisimulan po yan sa maaga na edad. Tapos po, kailangan na maraming taon bago makuha nila yung mga mas difficult na mga dive. So, tinutuloy-tuloy lang po namin yung pagsuporta sa kanila, sa training nila, at saka sa well-being para hopefully in a few years talagang ma-develop natin sila ng gusto.
Okay, of course meron tayong dalawang disciplines, no? Platform, springboard, tapos meron pa ata isa pa, no?
Bale, ano siya, springboard at saka platform, tapos synchronized.
Synchronized, no? So, wala pa tayong athlete for synchronized, no? Or meron pa?
Meron naman, meron.
Okay. So, nakikita ba natin na of all these three sabihin natin disciplines natin, medyo may sense ata kayo ng parang magandang improvement or di kaya unti-unting pagkakaroon ng magandang progress yung ating mga bata in all three disciplines ng diving natin na of course kabilang nga sa iba't ibang mga sporting events na line up natin.
Again, ano lang po, like right now po kasi yung importante is masanay natin sila dun sa kanilang skills. So, tapos dapat yung next step is masanay sila na nagko-compete and then saka na yung level na sanayin natin na dun sa level na mas like more difficult po. Yeah. So, nagsa-start pa lang po tayo ngayon sa age group. Tapos hopefully like up to the SEA Games, Asian Games, tas world level na po.
And lastly, we will host the first leg of the Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series happening in 2 weeks time sa El Nido, Palawan. Abangan natin yan. So, even though wala tayong representative, kasi yung ating mga divers parang nag-guide pa lang sila to train them well and to teach them well pagdating sa cliff diving. So, we could assure nga pala sa Philippine Aquatics and of course sa diving team itself yung full support para sa ating hosting natin ng bansa kahit pa wala tayong pinadala para dito sa event. Sabihin natin inog pa pagdating sa cliff diving.
Actually, yeah, we had cliff diving events here in the Philippines.
Naalala ko nga yun sa Batangas, no?
Yes.
Sa Anilao.
Not Anilao, hindi.
San Juan?
Not San Juan.
Punta
Fuego.
Punta Fuego,
Yes,
okay.
we did that for 6 years actually.
Oh,
Pero ano lang kasi we were going to host the 2019 SEA Games so I had to stop that and concentrate dun sa pag-host natin ng Southeast Asian Games.
Pero target ninyo is to resume.
Hopefully kasi last year naman we had the Asian age group so right, like we're considering hosting that again. Maybe hopefully next year.
Okay. And yung support nga pala with regards na dito sa Red Bull Cliff Diving Series. Yung ano ang assurance ninyo sa support natin dito sa upcoming event po?
We're like right now, isa to sa kasi maliit lang nga yung diving community. So we're very close. So yung mga ganito na
Alright, and thank you so much for providing us updates regarding sa Philippine diving. Even though hindi ko natutukan ng gusto, pero at least na-report niya yung balita about kay Ariana Drake. Silver medal dyan sa Malaysia, and we look forward for more developments and more updates from your end. So, magpasalamat ka na sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta. And of course, yung ating mga sabihin natin mga tumataguyod organizations as well na sumusuport sa Philippine athletics sa Philippine diving team sa panguna syempre ng ating NSA natin.
Of course, we're very thankful to our NSA, Philippine Aquatics, for the support, and then also yung Philippine Sports Commission and the Philippine Olympic Committee for making sure that the needs of the athletes are met. And then, nagpapasalamat din ako kay Gab for continuously checking up on our athletes kung kamusta na ba sila, tas kung ano yung progress ng training. So, nagpapasalamat.
And other media as well who always reported yung mga developments nila. Lalo na, andito na tayo sa ating media press conference na ng Red Bull Cliff Diving inside the new Clark City. This is actually my first ever coverage nga pala.
Very beautiful facility po.
First ever coverage since na nag-umpisa tayo na maglibot tayo sa labas syempre. Good luck to the Philippine diving team going forward beyond 2025. More power and see you around.
Thank you very much.
Okay.